Hello everyone and welcome to the Distinct Mastering YouTube channel. My name is Freddie. Today we're going to be talking about a cool little controller that was sent to me by a company named Synido. This little controller is fun to use and cool, feels good, keys feel good, and the perfect thing, it's perfect for travel. I want to thank Synido for sending this over to me. I'm going to be testing this out on the road. By the time this video comes out, I'll be in Los Angeles for a sync licensing conference, and it's going to be in my hotel room along with my IK Multimedia iLouds that just got sent to me. If you missed that video, I'll leave you a link down below. The perfect thing is that this thing comes with a carrying case as well. Comes with this stylish USB cable, and you get a little microfiber cloth to keep it clean, as well as an 1/8 inch to MIDI and an adapter for the MIDI power. So let's get into the video and check this thing out. I'm going to go over the features, tell you how it feels, and if you're interested, you can pick this thing up for like under $100. So check it out. Alright guys, here's a view of my desk and this is what it looks like. Today we're going to go quickly over all of the controls, and this thing has a piece of software as well that you can get that you can change parameters on the unit, so make sure to check that out. Okay, first of all, you have the keys right here at the bottom just like any controller, and I have a sustain pedal hooked up to it. Keys feel pretty good, you know. I play piano, so it's a small controller. You're not able to play like a full range. There's a transpose button and an octave jump button right here. So if you wanted to transpose and play note by note, you could do that, or octave. There's your pitch bend right here. That's pretty cool. There's a modulation knob right here. And these are touch sensitive, so they're not actual wheels, which make it easier for traveling. There's a main volume here, which I assume would work with the software. I do have the software installed. Haven't explored it too much, but you can just change parameters and adjust what the controls do. Then you have these pads. There's 8 of them here. You have a transport, obviously probably for your DAW. You have a bunch of knobs which can be auto-assigned to whatever synth you're doing. I did test this out and it does work perfectly. Do a MIDI CC learn, select the knob, and then you get full control of that knob, where you can then use for automation. The other cool thing is there's a knob bank. So you have knob bank B, notice this turned orange, and this is A. So instead of just 8, there's actually 16. And the same goes for the pads. So you have pad bank B, and that gives you 16 pads. There's an ARP button here, which turns on an arpeggiator. The tap tempo is really slow, so let's speed that up. And then if I hold down ARP, you see all these options down here, from the ARP time to the type, as well as the octave jumps, and then the swing amount. So if I just selected octave 3, now it's going to shift up 3 octaves. So all your arpeggiation controls are here. And then you have a fixed velocity button, which allows you to not play with any velocity. So all the notes are the same each time you press a key. And then you have lastly a note repeat, which is going to be for the pads. And that is going to be affected by the tap tempo as well. See, if I adjust the tempo, the note repeat changes. Keys feel good. They are going to take me a little getting used to. They're not like a full-blown piano. I'm not used to playing on such small keys, but perfect for travel use, hotel rooms. Just like I said, it comes with the bag, so this is going to be perfect for me on the road. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. The bell notification will keep you up to date on new videos. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you guys like to see. And if you want more from me, I have a membership area both on YouTube and Patreon. Thanks again. My name is Freddie from Distinct Mastering, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.